LunarVim has a built-in reload function that can be used in place of the require function. The require function is a built-in function used to load and run modules. One feature of the require function is that it caches modules to avoid duplicating work. So if you're trying to take advantage of LunarVim's ability to reload your config on save, you might not want to cache some of your modules. As an example, let's use the require function to load this options module with a few simple options set. You'll notice that if we set the cursor line to false, and save the file, then go back and save our config.lua file, nothing happens. The cursor line is still here. So let's instead swap out the require function for the reload function and save the file. You'll notice that the module is reloaded and the changes have taken effect. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please consider sponsoring the channel over on GitHub Sponsors or joining as a channel member over on YouTube. You can also head over to chrisatmachine.com to find links to all of my socials, projects, and other donation methods as well. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.